Welcome to Asher's Learning Adventures. And today we're doing shapes and colors. And we have this nice puzzles over here. And we're gonna find the pieces and Asher is gonna put them where they go. Are you ready?
Yeah, some shapes are gone.
Okay, the shapes are gone, but we're gonna find them. Are they in there?
Yeah, they're in the bucket.
They're in the bucket? Okay, so let's start. Pick one. No C, no C.
I'll pick a heart.
No C. You have to do like no C, like that. Yeah. All right, put it in. Ooh, what is that?
A rainbow.
Ooh, a rainbow shape. And where does it go?
Here, he's red.
Ooh.
A red rainbow.
Ooh, a red rainbow shape. Nice. No look, no look, no cheating, no look. Ooh, what is that?
A hexagon.
Let me see it. Ooh, a hexagon. Where does it go?
Right here.
Let's see, a hexagon. What color is it?
Green.
Green.
No, not find the Vikings.
All right, let's see. No C, no C. You're cheating. No C, no C. Ooh, what is that?
A lightning.
A lightning shape. Oh, let's see. Where does it go?
Here, he's yellow.
It's yellow. Turn it around. Yellow lightning shape. No C. No C. Ooh, what is that?
A circle blue.
A circle, and it's blue. And where does it go?
Here.
Right there.
Now where do you find the star?
Let's see. No C. No C. A star. What color is it?
Yellow. That's like a starfish.
Ooh, let's see. Where does it go?
Here, he's yellow again.
Yellow star. No C. No C. No C. What is that?
A square green.
Green square. Where does it go?
Here, he's gold green.
Cool. Green square.
And this one is a diamond.
Is that a diamond?
Yeah, he's yellow.
Ooh, let's see. Right there. Yellow diamond. Nice. No C. No C. Let's pick another shape.
It's this star.
No C. No C.
Another star. That's another star.
That's another star. All right. And what color is it?
Blue.
Blue. And where does it go?
Here.
There. Ooh, no C. No C.
Now we have that.
Ooh, what is that?
Hex.
X. And what color is it?
Green X.
Green X. And where does it go?
Here, he's a green X.
Green X. Yeah. No C. No C. What is that?
A dot.
A what?
I don't know.
That's called octagon.
Yeah, octagon.
Octagon. And where does it go?
He's blue. Blue.
Turn it around.
Oh, I need
There you go.
a blue octagon.
A blue octagon. Nice. No C. No
Heart.
C.
A heart.
Ooh, what is that?
A pentagon.
Ooh, a pentagon. And what color is it?
He's purple.
It's purple. Blue, purple pentagon. Ooh. No C. No
Heart.
C. You keep forgetting no C. What is that?
A heart.
A heart? And where does it go?
Here, he's a purple heart.
It's a purple heart. Let's see.
And triangle. An oval.
An oval? Where is it?
Here, he's
A
red.
red oval? Let me see. Ooh, and where does it go?
Right here. That's,
Red oval.
that's like an egg.
It looks like an egg.
Yeah. And this one, that's like a starfish.
Ooh, let's see. What else you got in there?
A moon.
Oh, that's the moon shape?
Yeah, that was kind of dark.
Ooh, a moon shape.
He's
Let's see.
Blue moon. Blue moon.
shape. Nice.
The
So what
one-
else we have?
A triangle.
We have a triangle. What
It's-
color is it?
Purple.
A purple triangle. And where
Wow.
does it go?
Here.
Let's see. Ooh, purple triangle. Ooh, look at all the shapes that we have, and we found all these nice shapes right here.
We have pentagon. We have hexagon. We have triangle. We have star. We have circle. We have diamond. We have heart. We got a moon. We got a square. We got a octagon.
Octagon.
Octagon. We got an oval. We got a star. And we got X. We got a rainbow. And we got a lightning.
Yeah, yay! We found all these colorful shapes. Are you happy?
Yeah.
Okay, so you want to do a tower now?
Yeah, I want to build one tower.
Okay, let's do it.
Oh no, I got almost there. Oh no, circle's gonna fall. And yeah, oh no, need a star. She's not gonna fall. He's not. He's gonna He's gonna knock. He's gonna knock. He's gonna fall. 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 He's gonna fall off. And it's all. I'll build tower with wood. Look, tower. This one's so hard. Super hard. The rainbow is super hard. Oh no, he's topping the wood. He's top and he's topping the tower.
Ooh, and we have a tower.
Now, Sim.
Let's see if you can do a tower with the shapes.
That is super small.
Yeah, let's do a tower with the shapes.
Yeah.
Start with the square.
They're all purple and they're not gonna fall.
Let's see. You have to put them in the middle, right in the middle so they don't fall.
Yeah. They're not gonna fall. Oh no, I fell off. Try to put it in the middle. Oh, it's falling off. 9.
One more. There's still one more. It's right there. In the front. Yep. Yeah!
Now it's
We got a
falling.
big tower.
That's falling.
Let's make it fall. Yeah! So cool. This
Bye bye.